Welcome all to Crazy Analytics, a new way right to earn and right to learn. At Crazy Analytics is an online platform for all beginners and professionals who want to develop their skills in the fields of data analytics, data science, and artificial intelligence data visualization. About us. Crazy Analytics' vision is to take the knowledge and power of data to create imagination into real. At K Analytics helps the upcoming talent of the world into the data world to achieve their dreams and step ahead where they stand at present. This channel is a medium to help all the students and professionals to understand and grab the actual knowledge behind the data world. Finding here on Crazy Analytics, you will be getting video lectures on specific domains and topics. You will be having hands-on experience and full domain knowledge in easy and innovative way. Let's see what are the courses offered by K Analytics. We first go into the programming language. We offered two programming language. One is R and other one is Python, which is also known as the most flourishing knowledge of 21st century. The domain knowledge we were looking into is data science, and many of the people says that it is a sexiest job of 21st century. But data science does not stand alone. You have to grab different set of knowledges from different domains. Like, you should have a complete knowledge of data analytics using Python, using R. You should have analytics knowledge on Excel and SQL. And that knowledge should be modeled using machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. Every industry needs a visualization tool, as the client only understands better with a visualization. If I want to say that you want to analyze the population growth and I give you a number set, you will not able to see the actual picture behind the population growth, but if I provide you a graph, it will be more interesting for you to visualize. So we have two visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, and that is K Analytics. Subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thank you.